Welcome back to the OpenAI Codex CLI course. You've built a feature, the diff looks reasonable, and you're one commit away from pushing. In Lesson 12, we add a real quality gate with the review command, which asks Codex to read your working tree and surface bugs, risky changes, and missed edge cases before any of it leaves your machine. Let's run it. We've just finished a change. Instead of eyeballing the diff ourselves, let's hand it to Codex to review. With our work sitting uncommitted in the working tree, we type review. This tells Codex to act as a reviewer, reading exactly what changed since the last commit and looking for problems, rather than us squinting at a diff and hoping we catch everything. Watch the status line as it works. Codex is reading the working tree, walking through each modified file, tracing the logic the way a careful teammate would, building an understanding of what this change actually does before it says a single word about it. Now the findings come back, grouped by severity. There's a high severity bug where an unvalidated input reaches a query, a medium note about a missed null check, and a low nitpick on naming. Each finding points at the exact file and line, so nothing is vague. Notice this is a dedicated quality gate, not a general chat. It reads your diff and reports issues, which is a different job from asking Codex to build something. You run it after a feature is done and before you push as a deliberate checkpoint. So the flow is simple. Build the feature, run review, read the findings, fix what matters, then commit. It catches the mistakes you'd normally only discover in code review or worse in production, and it costs you a few seconds. Here's what to keep. The review command asks Codex to read your working tree and surface bugs before you commit. Findings come back grouped by severity, each pinned to the exact file and line that needs attention. Treat it as a deliberate quality gate. Run it after a feature is built and before you push. Head to Standarity.com for the full Codex CLI course, and join us in Lesson 13, where mention and the @file reference point Codex straight at real files instead of your descriptions.